Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Swinney, on a Monday afternoon in the Big Apple. Well, actually at the balcony overlooking the New York Stock Exchange. It is a Monday, and after a weekend filled with activity, we return to the markets to also see some activity, right? But even better, the session is finally drawing to a close, and you know what that means, right? It's almost 4 o'clock, the markets are about to shut down, and it's time to cool off with a drink because it's a summer Monday. It's also happy hour in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they are slightly higher this Monday afternoon as companies continue to post better than expected earnings, and also as Japan's SoftBank announced a $32 billion deal to buy a UK semiconductor giant. But first, let's talk about data. Homebuilder sentiment falling 1 point in July as foot traffic of potential buyers continued to thin. Meanwhile, Bank of America beating expectations on both earnings and revenue, with earnings per share of 36 cents compared to an expected 33 cents. This according to a consensus estimate. But the big corporate report coming overseas as Japan's SoftBank announcing a $32 billion all-cash deal to buy chip designer ARM, sending London-listed shares of ARM up more than 45% in early morning trade. Now, this deal marking the biggest takeover of a British company since June's Brexit vote. Also, when you combine the euro being slightly higher against the dollar, gold up about 0.5%, and crude below $45, then you have yourself a session right now where advancers are just a slight bit ahead of decliners right here at the New York Stock Exchange. It's a Monday, I'm stuttering. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out the first trading session of the week. And of important note tonight, the Republican National Convention kicks off in Cleveland this evening, and the greatest British Open ever was this weekend. Phil Mickelson, amazing. But Henrik Stenson, just that much better, believe it or not. If you can't believe it, I was glued to the TV. Possibly the greatest final round of golf I've ever seen. Go online, check it out. Unbelievable. What a game, what a win. And great win for Stenson, great win for the British Open. I was there last year. I kind of wish I was there now, but then I saw the weather there and the weather here. I'm glad to be here. With that stated, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. I'll see you guys all in the morning. From out on Wall Street, I'm James Swinney.